Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the work and establishing a reliable ground. This reduces arc wandering and poor cuts. Once the torch and gas are connected, set the machine to about 35-45 amps for thin metals and move toward 65, only if thicker material demands it. Make a short practice kerf on scrap to tune travel speed and pierce technique. This clarifies how your torch responds, so your first real cut is predictable and clean. You pierce deliberately. Initiate a short, focused arc, then back the torch slightly to prevent molten metal splash. This reduces stalling and nozzle damage. Once done, maintain a 10 to 15 degree angle and steady 1/8 to 1/4 inch standoff while moving at a consistent pace to form a smooth cut. Make sure to vary speed with thickness because cutting too fast leaves incomplete cuts, while too slow creates excessive dross and warping, so listen and watch the kerf. You finish by blowing off slag and wire brushing the edge so you can inspect the cut for quality. A smooth bevel means your parameters were correct. If the arc sputters or the nozzle fouls, stop and replace consumables because worn parts change arc shape and reduce cut quality. If problems persist, make sure gas pressure, ground clamp contact, and cable connections are tight. This simple checklist fixes most issues without guessing and keeps your titanium plasma cutter running reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.